Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This is session 9th for the series AWS AI Practitioner Certificate Questions AIF-C01. We are going to start this video with our 81st question of this series. Which option is a benefit of ongoing pre-training when fine-tuning a foundation model? Here are the options. Helps decrease the model's complexity. Option B, improves model performance over time. Option C, decrease the training time required. Option D, optimizes model inference time. Take your time to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option B, improves model performance over time. This is because ongoing pre-training improves model performance over time by allowing the model to adapt to new data and tasks. So option B is correct here. Now question number 82. What are tokens in context of generative AI models? And here are the options. Tokens are the basic unit of input and output that a generative AI model operates on, representing word, subword or other linguistic units. Option B, tokens are mathematical representation of word or concept used in generative AI models. Tokens are pre-trained weights of a generative AI model that are fine-tuned for specific tasks. Option D, tokens are specific prompts or instructions given to generative AI model to generate output. Take your time to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option A. Tokens are basic units of input and output that a generative AI model operates on, representing word, subword or other linguistic unit. Because in context of generative AI model, tokens are smallest unit of text that the model processes. A token could represent entire word, a subword or even a single character depending on how the model is tokenized. Tokens are the basic building blocks for both input and output in natural language processing tasks such as text generation or translation. So option A is correct here. Now question number 83. A company want to assess the costs that are associated with using a large language model to generate inference. The company want to use Amazon Bedrock to build generative AI applications. Which factor will drive the inference cost? Options are number of tokens consumed. Option B, temperature value. Option C, amount of data used to train the LLM. Option D, total training time. And the correct answer here will be option A, number of tokens consumed. Because more the number of tokens used, higher will be the cost, and all other affects the training cost, not the inference cost. Like this temperature value and the amount of data used to train LLM and the total training time. It will all impact the total training cost, not the inference cost. Inference cost will be impacted by number of tokens consumed. So option A is correct here. Now question number 84. A company is using Amazon SageMaker Studio Notebook to build and train ML models. The company stores the data in Amazon S3 bucket. The company need to manage the flow of data from Amazon S3 to SageMaker Studio Notebooks. Which solution meet these requirements? Options are use Amazon Inspector to monitor SageMaker Studio. Option B, use Amazon Messi to monitor SageMaker Studio. Option C, configure SageMaker to use a VPC with an S3 endpoint. Option D, configure SageMaker to use S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Try to guess the correct answer here. And the correct answer here will be option C, configure SageMaker to use a VPC with an S3 endpoint. Because to manage the flow of data from Amazon S3 to SageMaker Studio Notebook securely and efficiently, configuring the SageMaker to use VPC with an S3 endpoint is best solution. Because this setup ensures that the data transfer between SageMaker and S3 happen within AWS network only without going through public internet, which improves the security and performance here. So option C is correct. Now question number 85. A company has a foundation model that was customized by using Amazon Bedrock to answer customer queries about products. The company wants to validate the model's responses to new type of queries. The company need to upload a new dataset that Amazon Bedrock can use for validation. Which AWS service meet these requirements? Here are the options. Amazon S3. Option B, Amazon Elastic Block Store. Option C, Amazon Elastic File System. Option D, AWS is not on. And the correct answer here will be option A, Amazon S3, because Amazon S3 is the ideal solution for storing data sets that will be used by Amazon Bedrock for model validation. It is scalable, durable and secure storage service that is commonly used to store large data sets, including those used for machine learning model training, validation and inference. So option A, S3 is correct answer here. Now question number 86. Which prompting attack directly exposes the configured behavior of a large language model? Option A, prompted persona switches. Option B, exploiting friendliness and trust. Option C, ignoring the prompt template. Option D, extracting the prompt template. Try to guess the correct answer. I will wait for you. And the correct answer here will be option D, extracting the prompt template. Because extracting the prompt template is prompting attack where an attacker intentionally crafts input to reveal the underlying configuration or instruction used to guide the large language model. So this exposes the internal behavior or design of model, potentially revealing sensitive or proprietary information about how LLM is configured. So option D, extracting the prompt template, is the correct answer here. Now question number 87. A company want to use Amazon Bedrock. The company need to review which security aspect the company is responsible for when using Amazon Bedrock. Which security aspect will the company be responsible for? Option A, patching and updating the version of Amazon Bedrock, protecting the infrastructure that hosts the Amazon Bedrock. Option C, securing the company's data in transit and at rest. Option D, provisioning Amazon Bedrock within the company network. Take your time to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option C, securing the company's data in transit and at rest. Because when using Amazon Bedrock, the company is responsible for securing its data both in transit and at rest. This involves ensuring the confidentiality and the integrity of data that is uploaded to Amazon Bedrock or transmitted to and from the service. So option C, securing the company's data in transit and at rest, is the responsibility and the correct answer. Now question number 88. A social media company wants to use a large language model to summarize messages. The company has chosen a few LLMs that are available on Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart. The company wants to compare the generated output toxicity of these models. Which strategy gives the company the ability to evaluate the LLMs with the least operational overhead? Here are the options: crowdsourced evaluation, automatic model evaluation. Option C, model evaluation with human workers. Option D, reinforcement learning from human feedback. Try to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option B, automatic model evaluation. Because this provides a way to assess generated output of large language model with minimal operational overhead. This can be done by using pre-built toxicity evaluation tools or integrating models that can automatically detect and score toxicity in the generated text. And now question number 89. A company is testing the security of a foundation model. During testing, the company wants to get around the safety features and make harmful content. Which security technique is an example of? Now option A, fuzzing training data to find vulnerabilities. Option B, denial of service. Option C, penetration testing with authorization. Option D, jailbreak. So you can see the requirement of the question. Company want to get around the safety features and make harmful content. So it intentionally want to do so. You can take your time to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option D, jailbreak. Because jailbreaking is a technique used to bypass the safety features and restrictions of a foundation model. The goal is to manipulate the model into generating harmful, inappropriate or otherwise unintended content despite the safeguard in place. So option D, jailbreak, is the correct answer. When you want intentionally generate the harmful or inappropriate content, jailbreak will be used. Now question number 90. A company need to use Amazon SageMaker for model training and inference. The company must comply with the regulatory requirement to run SageMaker jobs in an isolated environment without internet access. Which solution meet these requirements? Here are the options. Run SageMaker training and inference by using SageMaker experiments. Option B, run SageMaker training and inference by using network isolation. Option C, encrypt the data at rest by using encryption for SageMaker geospatial capabilities. Option D, associate appropriate AWS identity and access management roles with the SageMaker jobs. So try to guess the correct answer. I am going to wait for you. Now let me reveal the correct answer for you, and the correct answer here will be option B, run the SageMaker training and inference by using network isolation. Because network isolation is a feature in Amazon SageMaker that ensures that your training and inference jobs are in a secure isolated environment without internet access, and this is critical requirement for complying with regulatory standards that mandate the use of isolated environments for sensitive operations. So option B is correct here. Run SageMaker training and inference by using network isolation. So friends, this was all in this video. Have a great learning and thanks for watching this video.